Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a Leslie SU3L. You've seen one of these on my channel before, but this is another that I've got. This one is an aluminum Tabby model, and now I do have these bells staggered like this just for storage reasons. Usually this 44 would be reversed. Now Seaboard did run, I think, these all bells forward. But anyway, really cool horn. It is pretty much a like a S3L or an RS3L. The only difference in this really is the manifold. It is the U manifold, which is the ultra low manifold. So it's almost set up like a two chime where you have your foot on one side. As you can see here, the foot is down here. It's not centered. And you've got this third bell kind of hanging off on the side. So it's a really unique manifold. It's my favorite Leslie manifold. But anyway, really cool. So it is aluminum Tabby. So that's going to be, you know, your 60s, like 1950 to 57 was your bronze Tabbies, and then after 57 to like 67 was your aluminum Tabby era. After that came your dome backs. So anyway, with a SU3L, it is a 25, a 31, and a 44. So that's about it, guys, but this one is in really nice shape. It is very close to like a new old stock SU3L. Hasn't seen much use. It's a nice horn. So anyway, that's about all there is to say about this one, guys. If y'all enjoy this, this is a Leslie SU3L.